In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Facebook business page. This process is helpful when you want your Squarespace site to communicate with Facebook, especially when you want to use the push option for a specific Facebook business page. The main idea is simple. You will open the Connected Accounts area in Squarespace, connect Facebook, authorize the account, choose the correct business page, and then save the connection. Take your time as you follow along, because the most important part is making sure the correct page is selected before saving. Start by opening your Squarespace account and going into the website you want to connect. Once you are inside the Squarespace dashboard, look for the Settings area. This is where Squarespace keeps many of the site-level options, including integrations and account connections. Click Settings and then look for Connected Accounts. Connected Accounts is the section that allows Squarespace to link with outside services. Since Facebook is an external platform, this is the correct place to begin. When you open Connected Accounts, you should see a page that shows any accounts already linked to your site, along with an option to add a new one. Now click Connect Account. A list of available services should appear. From that list, select Facebook. This tells Squarespace that you want to create a connection between your website and a Facebook account. After you select Facebook, Squarespace will begin the authorization process. At this point, you may be asked to log in to Facebook. Enter the login details for the Facebook account that has access to the business page you want to connect. Make sure you are using the correct Facebook account, because Squarespace can only connect to pages that this account is allowed to manage. If Facebook asks you to confirm permissions, review the prompt and authorize the connection. This authorization step is important because it gives Squarespace permission to communicate with Facebook. Without approving the connection, Squarespace will not be able to display the Facebook account in the Connected Accounts list or send content to the selected page. Once the login and authorization are complete, you should be returned to Squarespace. Back in Squarespace, you should now see Facebook listed as a connected account. Click the Facebook entry to open its settings. This is where you can adjust how the connection behaves and choose where Squarespace should send content when the push option is used. Inside the Facebook Connected Account settings, look for the option called Show Push option. Make sure Show Push option is enabled. This setting is what allows Squarespace to show Facebook as an available option when you are pushing content from your site. If this option is not enabled, the connection may exist, but it may not appear as a usable push destination in the way you expect. Next, find the Push Target drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and select your Facebook business page. Be careful here, especially if your Facebook account has access to more than one page. The page you choose in this menu is the destination Squarespace will use for the connection. Select the business page that matches the one you want connected to your website. After the correct business page is selected, take a moment to review the settings on the screen. Confirm that Facebook is connected, Show Push option is enabled, and the push target is set to the right business page. This quick check helps prevent content from being pushed to the wrong destination. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in the connection and stores the settings you just selected. Once saved, Squarespace and your Facebook business page are connected through the account settings. And that is all there is to it. You have connected Squarespace to your Facebook business page, enabled the push option, selected the proper push target, and saved the setup.